Hello and welcome to my channel, Making Crafts. Today I am going to be unboxing my order from the Rubber Buggy, and I'm so excited about this because this is my first order as being a design team member for the Rubber Buggy. So several of these items I purchased, and then some of them are part of my design team kit. So I just wanted to show you what all I did pick out, because I picked out everything here because I've got projects intended for it. So I just wanted to show you what I did pick out from them, and I'm just super excited to be on this team and to get started on my projects. So first off, I ordered this Tim Holtz, well, it's by Sizzix, and it is the Village 2. I'm trying to find the name on it to make sure I tell you correctly. It's Paper Village 2. So this is one of the smaller ones. They had Paper Village 1 last year, and this is Paper Village 2, and this is the smaller one he came out with this year with the 21 dies. And so I've got a lot of ideas of what I want to do with these. And I also ordered a stamp pad. Let me see if I can get it open. I needed a brownish color, so I ordered Ground Espresso from Distress Oxide. This is Tim Holtz as well. And then I ordered some lace, so you can only imagine what am I going to use that in. So let's see, what else did I get? I also ordered some flowers from Prima Flowers. And the Rubber Buggy has all kinds of products. If you've never been to their website, it's therubberbuggy.com, and I will link it below. And they have all kinds of products in their store from all different brands. I mean, like we have Tim Holtz, but then we have Prima and Simple Stories. And so I've got these flowers to go along with some fall projects that I'm planning on making. Then I also got the Lone Fawn fall stamp set, and let me see if I can find the name of it. Scripty Autumn Sentiments, and I will link to the store below, and I'll try to link to every one of these products so that you can, if it'll let me put all these links in my description. So in the description below you should see links to all of these, and I thought this would be really neat. I don't have any little leaf stamps, so I thought that'd be great, and I thought all this wording would be great to make some different things for fall. And then I also, here's another fall thing. Let me show you the other fall one first. This is from Simple Stories. This is their new kit, Harvest. This is the Harvest Bits, and it's from the Simple Vintage Country Harvest Kit. And then I've got some more little bits and pieces from the Simple Vintage Rustic Christmas, and then the Woodland Bits from the Simple Vintage Rustic Christmas. And you can, so I have those bits because I also ordered the paper packs. So I have the Simple Stories 12 by 12 collection kit, and this is the Simple Vintage Country Harvest. And it says it's 96 pieces in this kit, and I am so excited to get started on this kit. Even though it's for fall, I flipped through these papers, and I think they're going to be gorgeous, not just for fall. These are just my colors, and so there's a lot of butterflies and pages in it that I think would work. They're great for fall, but I think they're going to be great for me to use for some projects that I could use year-round. So I'm really looking forward to working with this paper, so I'm excited about the project I have in mind for that. And then I'm also going to be making some projects with this Simple Vintage Rustic Christmas, and it's 94 pieces as well, and I'm super excited about the projects for this one as well. I think these are going to be a lot of fun. And so I did get the bits and pieces to go with them just to for the projects that I have in mind. And let's see, then I also ordered, let me see if I can open this up. So you kind of have an idea of what I'm going to be making soon. But I've ordered this little chipboard piece that says Happy Birthday. And then I ordered this Mintay papers, and this is the Flora Book 3. I've never seen this one before. It says Fall and Winter Edition, and I'm thinking this is a new one. Well, most everything in their shop is fairly new items from what I saw, and I'm thinking this one is new because I've never seen it before, and it had fall things in it. So you know I love fall colors and fall, and I love mushrooms, so I had to pick this one up. It's got lots of beautiful flowers and leaves, and then you've got your acorns, And I don't even know what your pine cones and some of these things I don't know what they call, but I really loved all these. And for the things like if I didn't use this page, if I didn't want to fussy cut these out, you know, you've got the background paper that's beautiful too. And then you've got the winter, which is the poinsettias. And then your Christmas trees and pine cones and berries. And so I plan on using these as fussy cuts. I plan on, you know, cutting around them. I will fussy cut them with scissors and cut them all out. But as I'm looking through here though, it's really a shame not to use the back of this. So if I don't use some of the fussy cuts, I may use the back of the sheets, but it's all so gorgeous. Love that. And you know, it keeps repeating. I know you can see now, it just keeps repeating, but that gives you a lot to fussy cut out. And I guess at the same time, if you wanted to use this and then put these on it, you wouldn't feel so guilty since you have so many copies of each one. And I have not counted how many. Oh, look at that last page. So the back of the book, you actually have a sheet that you can use, and it feels the same thickness, so you could use that as a page as well. And you can use it on a card or use it in your mini albums, because if you were gluing this down, or you could use it as a tag and then just glue some paper on the back of it to cover up the writing. So I just want to show you that. That's gorgeous. And I'm not going to do a flip through of these today because when I go to do the project for these, I will flip through these two kits then. So that way, I really didn't want to open them until I get started on the kit. So, but I can show you, when you look at these, you can see the papers, a lot of the papers here. And so I will do a flip through then of them. Well, actually, let's just do a flip through of them now. I'll go ahead and do that. It shouldn't be too long of a video if I do, because I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and just let you know that, share my great news about becoming a design team member for the Rubber Buggy. I'm so excited that they chose me to be a part of the team, and I am looking forward to the projects I'm going to be making. So here in this kit you have the sticker sheets, and then you have your plaid, or you have your little journaling cards, or even card fronts. These can be used as card fronts. Oh, look at that one with all the little Santas and the little angel. And then you have more that could be card fronts or used as tags or different things in your mini albums or junk journals. And look, oh, look how pretty. I absolutely love this kit. That is just gorgeous too. And then you have more little journaling spots and things you could add to your projects. And so this is the kind of the same as the lighter page, but it's got a dark background with the Santas and the little, looks like a little cherub, little angel. And then you've got your deer. And then, ooh, isn't this pretty? I've got a project in mind for this page, just for that page. So I'm super excited about these. Oh, that's just adorable. The red plaid, red's my favorite color too. I love this page with all the pieces collaged on here. You know how much I love collage. Look how gorgeous this is. This is an absolutely beautiful pack of paper, so I am so excited to get started using it and to share my projects. Okay, let me see what I have here. Is this another, oh, it is another sheet. And then you have the Santa here. That's so neat. So I'm just going to lay that aside, and I'll go through this one, and then I'll put them back in their bags. So this one is the fall, and it's called Simple Vintage Country Harvest. And the Christmas one was Simple Vintage Rustic Christmas. And so here are the stickers. Ooh, look at that turquoise plaid. Isn't that gorgeous? That's what I was telling you. These papers could be used. Some of these could be used year-round. I love these colors. Let's just see here. Oh, that's pretty too. So pretty. This right here, that is gorgeous. That does not have to be fall. Even though it's fall colors, it doesn't have to be fall. So I'm so excited. Looking forward to making some projects with this. It is so pretty. Look at that. Now that's got leaves like the fall leaves, but it's still so pretty. Look at that too, the blues. And here you've got pumpkins in all different colors, and it kind of looks like it's fabric. Oh, I love this page. It looks like a book page. And then you've got your orange with your butterflies, and then you've got your orange plaid. Oops, I didn't show you this side. Look how pretty. That is so pretty. Love the turquoise plaid. Turquoise and brown, I love that together. That is, look at that, so pretty. Look at this. This is bright and happy looking. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? These are going to make some beautiful projects. And this page, I have an idea for a project or two with just this one page, and hopefully it'll work out. So I will be sharing those projects with you soon. I just wanted to do the flip through of them. Or I was just going to do the unboxing, but I thought let's just go ahead and do the flip through as well. And then once I get all these out like this, I can start working on my projects. But I just want to get started on my projects, so I wanted to show you what all I got before I got started on them, so that I could start working with them. Let's see what all I can come up with for my, well, I've got a list of projects I want to make, so I want to see how they all work out, and see, oops, I'm going to have to just wait till I stop talking to put that back. But yes, this is going to be a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will check out my videos, upcoming videos for this design team. I've got some fun ideas coming up, and I'm getting ready to get into my fall crafting and my Christmas crafting. So hopefully you'll follow along and see how it all goes. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.